Hi, this is a demo for content editors to show you how you can build up your sites using Mentor Web Blocks. So we're in the Umbraco backoffice area, and you can see the layout builder area here on the right hand side with dotted lines that show the content containers that you can drag your blocks into. So firstly, we can drag blocks from the left hand side from your blocks folder in the content tree. You can just drag blocks straight into your content container wherever you want them to appear. So here we've got an example of the flex slider, very useful rotating slider block. And we're also going to drag and drop a feature block into this area here. So you can just drag from the left hand side into the container and they appear straight away. You can also right click in the container that you'd like to add the block to, choose the block you'd like to add, and it also appears as so. So once you've got your blocks in place, you can drag and drop them, order them in the order that you'd like them to appear. And you can also delete them by right-clicking and choosing delete. So we're going to create a new feature block now. In fact, let's just save our homepage layout before we move on. We're just going to create a new feature block here. Create. You can create blocks folders and organize your blocks in blocks folders. As long as the blocks are inside the blocks directory, this is fine, but you can use block folders to organize them as you see fit. So we're going to create a new home feature block. I'm going to choose an image for it, choose a title, and paste some lorem ipsum text. So our new feature block is now completed. We can go back to our home page and we can drag our new feature block directly into the interface. So it's that easy to create new feature blocks for your site. To edit a block that's already in place, we can edit the My New Feature block just by double-clicking and changing the title, for example, to Jungle Block and adding some more text. We have to save and publish here and then click Finished here. So as you can see, the block's updated with the new title and the extra text. So that shows you how you can create blocks, drag them into the layout containers, edit them by double-clicking them, and reorder them by dragging them around. So that's a good overview of the basic block functions. And we'll save and publish this page, and it's ready to view on the main site. We'll click Preview here, and there you see your beautiful homepage ready to go. Also, when you're creating pages, we'll create a new content page, My New Page, and you'll see the page comes up with this WYSIWYG area here. Now to add WYSIWYG content to a page, you simply double-click to launch the WYSIWYG browser, which works exactly the same as the normal Umbraco WYSIWYG editor. So you can double-click that at any time to edit your content, and you can use it just as you would the normal WYSIWYG editor. So we'll just save that. So this is a breadcrumb block, and this is your H1 block here. You can remove this or move them around like you would any other blocks. If you decide you don't want the breadcrumb block, you could delete it, for example. So this left-hand menu here, this template comes pre-populated with a, a sub-navigation menu. So any child nodes you put under here will automatically be pre-populated into this menu here. But for example, we can just delete that navigation menu as well. And you've got an area here for dragging your feature blocks onto the left-hand side. So, for example, we can add a new Twitter feed block to this area here, and simply appears as so. We can also use our feature blocks from earlier, drag them into this container here, and they appear just as they did on the home page. You can even move them above the WYSIWYG area, like so. So a bit of playing around with our blocks, and they're in the right order. So again, we can save this and preview, and you see the page you've created on the front end. So hopefully that gives you a good overview of adding blocks, how you add, reorder, delete, create and edit blocks, and of course how you use the WYSIWYG editor with the WebBlocks package. Hope this explains some of the basics for content editors, and feel free to get in touch on our forums if you have any further questions. Thanks.